Section 18 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 2, August 1897. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Betty B. Gambel's Partridge. Gambel's partridge, of which comparatively little is known, is a characteristic game bird of Arizona and New Mexico, of rare beauty and with habits similar to others of the species, of which there are about 200. Mr. W.E.D. Scott found the species distributed throughout the entire Catalina region in Arizona, below an altitude of 5,000 feet. The bird is also known as the Arizona quail. The nest is made in a depression in the ground, sometimes without any lining. From 8 to 16 eggs are laid. They are most beautifully marked on a creamy white ground with scattered spots and blotches of old gold, and sometimes light drab and chestnut red. In some specimens, the gold coloring is so pronounced that it strongly suggests to the imagination that this quail feeds upon the grains of the precious metal which characterizes its home, and that the pigment is imparted to the eggs. After the nesting season, these birds commonly gather in coveys or bevies, usually composed of the members of but one family. As a rule, they are terrestrial, but may take to trees when flushed. They are game birds par excellence, and, says Chapman, trusting to the concealment afforded by their dull colors, attempt to avoid detection by hiding rather than by flying. The flight is rapid and accompanied by a startling whir, caused by the quick strokes of their small, concave, stiff-feathered wings. They roost on the ground, tail to tail, with heads pointing outward, a bunch of closely huddled forms, a living bomb whose explosion is scarcely less startling than that of dynamite manufacture. The partridge is on all hands admitted to be wholly harmless and at times beneficial to the agriculturist. It is an undoubted fact that it thrives with the highest system of cultivation, and the lands that are the most carefully tilled and bear the greatest quantity of grain and green crops generally produce the greatest number of partridges. End of section 18.